Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Silver Heights, a residential neighborhood in the St. James area of Winnipeg, Manitoba. Silver Heights sits on the west side of the city, bordered by Portage Avenue to the south and Ness Avenue to the north, with Moray Street and Conway Street marking its west and east edges. Its location puts it close to major routes while still feeling removed from heavy traffic. The neighborhood was developed mainly in the early 1950s during Winnipeg's post-war housing boom. Before that, this land was part of a large estate known as Silver Heights, owned by early settlers and later prominent businessmen. When the land was subdivided for housing, the historic name stayed. Silver Heights was designed as a planned suburban community. Streets curve instead of following a strict grid, and mature trees line many roads, giving the area a quiet, established feel. Mount Royal Road runs through the heart of the neighborhood and is one of its most recognizable streets. Most of the homes here are single-family houses built in the 1950s with a consistent mid-century style. Over time, some low-rise apartments were added, but the area remains primarily residential. The neighborhood sits slightly higher than nearby river flats, which helped protect it from flooding and made it attractive for development. Parks, schools, and community spaces were built alongside the homes, supporting a family-focused layout. Along Portage Avenue, the Silver Heights Shopping Center has served residents since the mid-1950s, and several long-standing local businesses continue to operate today. Silver Heights is close to Polo Park, Winnipeg's airport, and major transit routes, making it a convenient place to live without sacrificing a calm atmosphere. Today, Silver Heights remains a stable, well-established neighborhood known for its quiet streets, mature trees, and strong connection to Winnipeg's post-war history.